Sometimes you need to update or revise a certain business process in your application or a feature. This functionality often involves multiple objects calling each other in turn. Therefore, you will need to find this call chain or call graph, which is quite complicated to do manually, but can be done automatically with Visual Expert. For example, we will select a procedure to ask Visual Expert to trace the entire graph of elements and objects that are called from this procedure. In this case, we will see, for instance, that the procedure includes a delete order that will remove data from the employee table. This table is linked by a foreign key constraint to the sales order table. Another constraint, another table will be impacted. We will then cascade the modifications across several tables. Deleting from the third table will execute a trigger, which calls a procedure, which will insert into a log table. Real applications will involve much larger examples. But in this small example, we can already see the chain of calls that starts with the deletion of an employee and ends with the insertion of a record into the log table.